Hello team! So in this video I'm going to show you how to create a free landing page. So let me turn this camera around and show you exactly how to do that. So before we get started, I would like to tell you why you want to consider System.io. Because you can start for free. You can create 2,000 contacts in your email list. You can have one blog for free, unlimited storage, and the other autoresponder builder funnel. I think it's as 2 gig. All right, so you have a lot of freedom here um, for only the free version. And on top of that, you can create awesome landing pages. So it's System.io is really a great alternative to ClickFunnels, for example, and get response as well. So let's go quickly here and and design our landing pages. So this is my dashboard here, and you go to funnel, right? So funnel, you create a funnel, right? Then let's call it YouTube. And here by default you have a domain already assigned to you, right? But if you want, you can put your own domain here by adding the CNAME record on your domain provider, you know on your domain provider. Yeah, so let's make things simple here and define our goal. So our goal today will be to build an audience and collect email. So we have two keywords here: collecting email and build email list. So and the default currency here is US dollar. So we want to create our funnel. By default we have a funnel already set up for us. We just need to choose any template we want. So a funnel is basically a series of steps in your sell process, right? So if a leads come here, then whether he can download something, or he can download and go to your email list, and then he'll go to your thank you page here. So let's see if we can see all of that. So now for demonstration purpose, we will choose a landing pages. So I will show you directly how it works. So you have this side where you can save. Basically, it's very important that you save your work. You can view your funnel step, and here you can edit. So we need that one. Or you can of course change the template. So here you can choose whatever name you want. So for your URL path here. So let's go and click edit page here. Okay, so as you can see here, everything is drag and drop here. So all you need to do is to replace all this. So I have my test here already prepared, right? Okay, so let's go Control V here, and if you want to add color, you can do so by going here, then you can add color, right? No problem, you can add color. Was complete bigger. Okay, now let's if you want, you can put some explanation here, but here I want to go fast, and give you the background necessary to do your landing page. So here you can click on delete. Okay, then here you can choose, you can work on the font size if you want. You can the line height here, sorry, you can, the spacing, the background. And what's very important here, you need to click those things, for the mobile version and your desktop version, because it's very important, to optimize your landing pages for that. Okay, and uh, let's go for settings first. And in settings, what I want to show you is basically here you can edit the header code and put your Facebook pixel, so for ads, or you can put your code here, your tracking code here. Then you can know if somebody land here, you can know where he lands in. So basically, let's go here. um, uh, you know um, so if you want this logo, you can take it out if you want. It's up to you. Let's go here to change the image. Here to change the image, you click on the image once and you go here, and here you can upload your image by selecting file. Since I already did that, I will choose my the image I want. I put insert. As you can see, it's very easy. So that's where the magic happen here. All right, the magic happen right here. So you click once, right, and here, this is what is very, very important here. You need to click send form, right? You can either you can send from, you can show a pop-up, you can open a URL, or you can click on next step URL, or you can download file, right? So send form, basically when the person will put his information here, is going to be captured in your email list, right? Yeah, so that's very important to note that. So need to click to click send from, because if you go to open URL, it wants to capture the email, so the person will get just a link. So you need to click send from, and then here, if you put custom URL, so it's going to be a link to your PDF here. And then next step will be the thank you page, right? But let's make things very easy for today. Then next time we'll see how of course to create the next step in the thank you page. So now what we want to do only is to add a custom URL. So basically what I do here, I go to my Google Drive account, and I put this PDF, this book, and I get the link, and I put here. And this is very important also. That's why I like System IO. It gives you the option, right? It gives you the option to basically when people go inside your if they opt in your email list, they will receive an email asking them if they want to be in, so to confirm, right? So some autoresponder don't give you this option, so I want to have the freedom to do that, right? Now I put my link, so, and here download your free ebook now. So this is for demonstration purpose only, right? So we'll delete that, and of course this is very important. You need to put all your privacy policy. You do something, you add your privacy policy document in your Google Drive, you get the link, and you add the link just right here, and you save, right? So this part is very important also though. So then you save changes. Do you like what you see so far, guys? So don't forget to like and hit the notification bell, so that each time that we upload a new video, you get notified. Okay, guys. So, but every time you need to change, you need to save. Sorry, you need to save changes. And let's go out and and try to test our our funnel here, right? So let's go to funnel, view funnel example. So this is how our funnel look like. So let's create a dummy email, right? It's just for example purpose. Okay, you see, guys, it works. So the person will get automatically his landing page here. And let's see, let's go to system and see basically if, let me sign in. So as you can see, this is the guy here. You see it, and we can see it went to the squeeze page. So next time we will see, of course, how to add tags, how to add tags, how to do the thank you pages, right? So basically the tag is only your email list, so everything is organized by tag here, right? So it's basically just your email list. So for example, you see, for example, this test email, he's assigned to the iceberg effect tag, you see. So it is my email list here. So guys, okay, so system IO, the link is in the description, and next time we'll see, of course, how to do the thank you pages, and create tags as well. Okay, let me turn this camera back. Once again, hit the notification bell, smash the like button, subscribe, and see you next time.